script is about leaving a person behind to continue on to the future. So, male or female, doesn't really matter for this. Have fun.
Yeah.
Sometimes I just look at the sky and I see the birds catch a breeze or a bloom disappear into the clouds. And I think of you and I.
And why is that?
Because I feel like you're the breeze that pushes me forward and further into this beautiful sky. You show me things I never considered even thinking of.
You do the same for me. You show me the wonder of every day. Often I make me think how things could be if we simply look at it differently.
Maybe that's so. But with the moon, I feel like you're the cloud, taking me from all of my pain, the reality of life. Your smiling face, it makes everything look so sincere. Yet,
Yeah.
I feel I need to end this.
And what?
You and I.
That everything's perfect the way it is. I make you happy. You do the same for me. Make me believe in things I hadn't thought existed. So why?
Because it's too perfect. Every joy must eventually end. It's how I see it. It's how I want it.
But without you, I can't see. You light my path and you make me smile.
Perhaps it'll be difficult at first. Perhaps one day you'll see it as I see it. The vibrance of flowers, the clearness of glass. And maybe someday you'll be able to kiss the rain.